Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to show you my hair kit. I think it's really awesome to share what you have in your kit and exactly what products you have and what you use and how you organized it the way that you did, because when I was starting freelance I was looking for videos like this and there weren't many up. And it would have been super helpful if I had a video like this that I could watch. So I wanted to put this up for you guys. Just a little warning, I am sick, so if I sound a bit yucky, that's why, and hence why I look the way I do. I apologize. Another video with me with no makeup on. But yeah, ever since I did my decanting pigments last week, I've just been really eager to show you my entire kit, and I feel like I've perfected it to how I want it right now. So yeah, I really wanted to share that with you guys. But I know it's going to be a really long video, so I've split them into two sections. So I'm going to put up the hair video, and then next week I'll be putting up the makeup kit. So this is my hair kit will be this week, and my makeup kit will be next week. Okay, so I'm just gonna stop talking now and show you exactly what is inside my hair kit. Okay, so I do not have the best lighting in here, but this is what the kit looks like all together. I have one of those Zuka cases. It just happens to be a MAC one because I worked at MAC. And then with the handle that goes up like a suitcase, I have the MAC travel-sized kit that hooks on to the back, so it just slides over the top of the handle here. And then this one, which houses all of my skincare and foundations, I got from oh gosh, what is that store called? Oh, Muji. That's it. Okay. Woo. So yes, I got that from Muji, and a lot of the accessories for my kit are from Muji. I also have this random bag here when I bought shoes at Whitner. It's just black and matches. Oops, my camera strap keeps getting in the frame there. Sorry about that. So it's black and matches my kit, and I just like it because it's this material that you can wipe if it gets dirty. So this is really handy for like my big hairspray that won't fit in my kit because it's too tall. And then I just keep my brush belt, which is here. Again, it's a MAC one because I worked at MAC, and you get a free brush belt, spatula, and oh my god guys, I am having like the worst day remembering stuff. But a palette, that's it. So a spatula, palette, and brush belt when you work at MAC. And then I have my Morphe brush case. This is awesome for all of my smaller, more detailed brushes. It's hard, and it's crocodile, and it just houses all of my brushes. I have a big bag here full of brushes that are dirty from clients. You can see it just is endless in there. There we go. So those are all the ones that need to be washed. So yeah, these are like my excess ones that I haven't gotten dirty yet. So yes, and I hold like my powder brushes and foundation brushes, like the bigger, bulkier ones, in my belt. And then I bring tissues and paper towel to every client's house. And what will normally be at the bottom of this bag is a giant towel just to lay out on your surface, so you can lay out all of your products and not get the bench of the person's house dirty. If you drop something or foundation spills, it just covers your ass if you have something down. So I normally always have a giant pink towel, of course, inside this bag along with these things. So I'm going to put this away, and then we're going to start off with the top bag, which is my hair kit. So this literally just slides right off. I'm going to try and show you and do it at the same time. It's pretty hard, but let's see. Oh, I do not think I'm capturing that at all. So it just slides right off. Okay, and this is my hair kit. I love this bag. I don't know the exact proper name from it, but you can find it in all freestanding and Pro Max stores. So it has a zip pocket in the front. I don't really use this. I find it's a bit too tight to put stuff in it, but if I do ever need to put anything in it, I can put business cards or a notebook. It's handy to have a notebook on you when you're doing like trials and stuff for people, or if you're doing something where they really like what you did and they want to rebook you. It's nice to write down exactly what you did on their face and what foundation color they are. So it's like a little client profile notebook. I don't have mine on me, it's in the car, but yeah, sometimes I will keep that in there. And then on the other side, it has the little straps here to hook onto the roller bag, and then another pocket if you need to use it. But again, it's just a bit hard to get some things in here, so anything flat you can put in there. So this holds my entire hair kit, and you can see, I love how it says MAC on the zipper there, super cute. So this opens all the way around and then folds out like a book. Oh, there's my towel. Sometimes I'll put it in there if it fits in my hair kit. So yeah, let's open that up. So there's my hot pink towel. Okay, so I'll start with this side and then we'll move along. So when you get this bag, in these compartments here, it's just fully mesh and they're completely empty. And then on this side, you get these pocket things. So they're these like plastic zipper things, and you'll have like 2 of the long ones and then little like half-sized ones. So that's really good if you want to use just this for your makeup kit. I know a lot of my friends who are in the makeup industry do use this for just their makeup kit, but I like to bring a lot of products with me when I do freelancing, and because I do hair as well, I thought that this would be better used in my circumstance for a hair kit. So in this first pocket here, it just zips open and it's mesh so you can see where everything is, which is super handy. So I just have all of my hair brushes, and I have combs and my teasing brush, things like that. They all need to be cleaned. So yeah, it's literally all of my brushes. I have ones in different sizes, different makes, because you never know what someone's hair is going to be like until you get to their house. So yep, all of my brushes just fit in there. My favorite brush brand, if you're wondering, is Cricut. I will link it below. And then in this side one here, I have all of my clips. So these are my clips from my Pro Blow brushes, which I'll show you in a second. And then I have some rollers just in case someone has like shorter hair or like a fringe and you want to set it to give it some volume. So I've got those. I believe I got the rollers at like Kmart. They were super inexpensive and they work really great. And yeah, again, these clips are for my Pro Blow brushes, which I will show you in a minute. So yeah, all of that just fits perfect in there. It's so hard to do it with one hand. Okay, and in this side I have clips as well. So these are my sectioning clips. I have my crocodile and alligator clips and butterfly clips and all sorts of clips. So yeah, just my favorite clips. And then I have my setting clips. So these are the little silver clips that you use to set curls and things like that. This is just in a bobby pin container. So yeah, that's really handy to have for people with fine hair that you need to set everything. And then this is where I keep all of my bobby pins. So this is just like a pencil case container. I got this from Muji. Yeah, it's really good. It's super deep and it just holds heaps of different colors of bobby pins. Ideally, I would love to have like minis of these and do like different colors, but yeah, that's gonna take a lot of organizing, and as of right now this works for me. So yeah, that's what I have all of my bobby pins in. And then I have one of these containers that has a bunch of elastics, and I got this from the Hair Expo. It's on every year in Sydney, So it's really good if you want to start building up a hairdressing kit for freelancing. The Hair Expo I would definitely recommend. Everything is 10 times cheaper, and even though you're paying for a ticket, the seminars and stuff that they have, if you really want to learn really amazing tips and tricks, and it's really a good place to get inspired, I would highly recommend it. Or any Hair Expo that's near you if you don't have Hair Expo coming to you. And then here I have my mirror. I always bring my own mirror. It has a bunch of hairspray on it right now. Hi guys! From Muji as well. So yeah, that just goes in this little mesh compartment here. Okay, and on this side is where I have my products, my hair products, my electric tools, and my Pro Blow brushes. So I will show you the brushes first. So when you get them, they come in these pouches, which are super handy. When I ordered mine, it took forever to arrive. That's the only thing. And I was back and forth with customer service for a really long time. So their customer service isn't very professional, but I have to say the actual product is amazing and super cool and makes your life, like as a hairstylist, so much easier. If someone wants a bouncy curly blow dry, they're just absolutely perfect. So again, it's from Pro Blow. If you want to screenshot this, you can, but I will also have it in the description box below. But yeah, I saw these in a hair magazine once when I was doing my hair apprenticeship many moons ago, and wanted them ever since, and finally got them. So basically, this is the handle for the brush. And then these are the brushes. So they come in different sizes. So you can see that's the smaller one and that's the large one. The large one isn't as big as I thought it was going to be when I looked at it on the website. For comparison, I'll show you one of my favorite big brushes. That being said though, like I've mentioned in videos in the past, the bigger the brush, the straighter the hair. So if you want to do curls, you need smaller brushes anyway. But you can see in comparison to one of my favorite brushes how small they are. So they're meant to do a curly, voluminous blow dry. So yeah, put that back in a second. Yeah, so I think the one I got was I ordered the bundles of the actual brushes separately. They do packages, but I found it cheaper this way. So I paid for the handle by itself, and then I bought the small size, no, or I think this is the medium, sorry, the medium size brushes and then the large brushes. And yeah, they came in 2 separate bags, and they were all able to fit in the one bag, which is really handy. So what you do is attach it onto the handle and then blow dry their hair, roll it up into their head, use one of those clips to clip over the top, and then you push the little button and let go, and it stays in their hair. And then you just clip on the next brush. Where are you? Then you just clip on the next brush and move on into your other section. So yeah, that's really cool. I've really enjoyed having that in my kit. So next I'm going to talk about my tools. For my hair dryer, I have a Parlux 385. This is the light one, so it's really easy to travel and bring to clients' houses. Of course, I got the hot pink one. I really liked the turquoise one as well. It was a super pretty color, but they didn't have any left. And then I have my GHD straightener. I just have it wrapped in a Babyless Pro heat guard thing. So yeah, this is my straightener. This is the Scarlet one, so the red one. I've had it probably for 7 years, 8 years. And yeah, it still looks brand new. I take really good care of my tools though, because you know, when it's your job, if you don't take care of it, you're gonna be buying tools all the time, and then it's not worth the money for the profit. So you really have to take care of what's in your kit. Like, I can't stress that enough. So for this instance, I knew the client and I knew exactly what type of hairstyle they wanted, so I only needed to bring these 2 tools. But I keep more tools in here and I will normally ask the client what they're after before I go to their house, so I know what tools I need to bring. But I have my wands, I have curling tongs, and yeah, so I'm all set with my tools. So I can always interchange these, which is really nice. And then I just have one of these clear bucket things that has my products. So I always have mousse on hand. This is the Taft one. I find you don't need to have like really expensive mousse in your kit because all mousses really, they do the same thing. So this is the 5 Stronghold. I just put a little bit of this in their roots and it gives really amazing volume. Then I have the edtion leave-in moisturizer. This is amazing. I bought this to use on me because it's my favorite, but I ended up bringing it and using it on clients. They don't sell this in Australia, which is really, really sad. So, and you can't like send liquids in the mail, so I can't get my mom to like send me these, which is unfortunate. So yeah, if I can find a link where they will send to Australia, I'll put it down below, because this is the most amazing leave-in detangler product I've ever found. It makes your hair so smooth and so easy to manage. It is incredible. So I have the light one because I have really fine hair, but I've used this in clients that have really coarse, thick hair, and it's worked as well. But yeah, I believe the normal one is just a little bit heavier in the hair. You can feel it a bit more, and I don't like when you can feel a bunch of product in the hair. So yeah, this is the light one. And then I just have some Heat Protect spray. It doesn't have to be fancy, ridiculous, and bougie. It's just the Tresemme one. All you want to do is just spray a bit to protect the heat from your hair. This one, I've been using it for years, and I've never noticed my hair feeling fried or damaged, so it works for me. Then I have a texturizing spray. So this is Sebastian Texture Maker. If it focuses, there we go. So I love to use this on people that want an undone, messy look. So either they have like messy curls, or they need a bit of texture in their bun. If it's not messy enough, I'll just spray this on my hands, put my hands together, and then scrunch it into their hair, and it just makes it look so amazing. Then I have some hair oil, of course. It's really nice to moisturize your client's ends so that your style looks really smooth and sleek. So this is the Wella SP Luxe oil. It is my favorite oil. It's made with keratin, so it is like a treatment in an oil, and it smells like lollies, and it's really, really yummy. And every time I use this, clients ask me what it is, and they make me write it down. So it is a really nice product to have in your kit and just to use on yourself as well. All of these products that I have in my kit, I use on myself. I would never put like a product on a client that I would never use personally. And then I have some Sebastian Shine Shaker. So this is just a finishing spray, a shine spray. I find that, are you gonna focus? I find that all shine sprays do exactly the same thing. So yeah, it doesn't really matter which one that you get in your kit, but this one, I have to say, smells so good, which is why I have it. I know it's a teensy tiny bottle and it's a little bit expensive, but it just adds the most beautiful finishing touch to your client's hair. There we go, finally focused. So yeah, I would highly recommend having a shine spray in your kit. This one just happens to be my favorite. So there we go, that is my hair kit. And then I love how you can just go like this and it folds right over, and then you zip it around, and that's it. So if I'm ever doing just hair on a client, I will bring just this, and it's super handy to have. If I'm doing both hair and makeup, I will bring both this and that. So yes. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in next week's video. Bye guys.